In this video, we're going to go over the top 5 problems that we have found with this 6th generation Ford Taurus. Anywhere from HVAC issues, fuel issues, and even worse, major powertrain issues that you're going to want to stick around for. Let's get into it. The first thing we're going to talk about is the heating and air conditioning not working properly. Not so much the temperature, but the actual fan speed, and that's controlled by the fan control module, also known as a blower motor resistor. And when that fails, the airflow is not going to be blowing what you have it commanded to. The easiest way to replace this is underneath the glove box near the kick panel. You pull that down and the resistor's right there. You replace that, quick and easy, anyone can do it themselves. The next problem has to do with the engine cranking but not starting. And that's because the fuel's not getting to the engine. And that brings us to the back seat, where behind the seat back is going to be the fuel pump control module, and that's going to control the fuel pump assembly underneath the seat part. And one of those parts is going to be causing your issue. If you need the fuel pump assembly, you can order yours at warningauto.com. Let's move on. Now on to our third problem, which is going to be specific to Ford Tauruses that have a turbo. You might notice an oil leak in that area, and it's more likely than not the oil return line. If that's leaking, it can be dripping on the exhaust, and that's going to be a fire hazard. You don't want to let that go. Make sure you repair that, and you'll be all set. Moving on to a transmission-related problem. Some people may notice they don't have reverse, third gear, or fifth gear, and along with that, you're going to have a check engine light with transmission-related codes. When you're noticing these symptoms, there has been internal failure in the transmission, and there's components that have come apart. The only way to repair this is to take the transmission out, rebuild it, or have it replaced. This really only affects the 2015 and 2016 models. And the last problem, if not taken care of soon enough, could cause some major engine damage. The water pump is driven off the timing chain. When it leaks, there is a little weep hole, so coolant will drip out. You want to take care of that as soon as you see that. Otherwise, it can leak inside the engine into where the oil is, and that can cause damage to internal engine components, even timing chains. So you want to take care of that as soon as possible.